Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install RingCentral for CRM screen pop detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have administrator access to your CRM system. Open your web browser and navigate to the RingCentral website. Locate and click on the support section at the top of the homepage. In the support section, search for CRM screen pop integration. Select the link that corresponds to your CRM platform. Review the prerequisites for the screen pop integration. Download the integration package for your specific CRM. Once the download is complete, locate and extract the files from the package. Open your CRM system in a new browser tab. Log into your CRM account using your admin credentials. Navigate to the Settings or Integrations section of your CRM. Look for the option to add a new integration or plugin. Upload the extracted files from the RingCentral package to your CRM. Follow the prompts to complete the integration setup. Enter your RingCentral account details when prompted. Test the integration by making a call using your RingCentral account. Observe if the screen pop function activates as expected. If successful, configure the specific settings for the screen pop in your CRM. Customize the displayed information that appears when a call is received. Review the integration settings to ensure they meet your organizational needs. Monitor the integration for any issues or required updates moving forward. You have now successfully installed RingCentral for CRM screen pop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.